we're back. We're at the bar in the airport.
Is it even noon yet?
It's not even noon because I checked. It's 7:38 and we are having beverages. And I am here with my sister. Yes, this is my sister-in-law, Deb. We are in the airport at the bar sipping on Rossi, chilling with my posse, came to the club, so what will we leaving here? Weak as fuck. Yeah, we about to go on this flight. Where we about to go? Don't tell me yet.
Don't tell me yet? Okay.
Nah, we're so excited to go on this this trip, this excursion, this adventure.
Oh, yes.
And I'm excited to do it with you, my sister, and my sister-in-law, or my brother-in-law.
Oh yeah, we got the cute kids coming.
Oh yes, and my niece and nephew is coming.
Oh my gosh.
They are super adorbs.
Oh my god, I love it.
Oh, y'all seen them though? They were in Cabo.
Did you see the picture when he sent when his little thumbs popped out? His graduation picture.
I got it. I don't think I've seen it.
Oh my god, it's the cutest thing ever.
You have to show me.
Cut and edit to show that picture. It's the best thing. It means hello and goodbye.
You can't say that. They're gonna know.
I whispered it.
I'm gonna freaking edit that too. Like you can't say that. They're gonna know.
You're gonna know. All right. So for now, just goodbye.
Yeah, I know. I will see y'all later. You feel me? She trying to give it away.
In a different time
Like
zone.
this is her channel or something. Like no, this is my channel. And you don't give it away until we give it away.
I'll stay in
you
the
feel
guest,
me?
the guest zone.
Yeah, she's a guest, guest appearance. You feel me? Alright, y'all. So, deuces. Wish me safe travels, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. See y'all later. We made it. Woohoo! Got my new traveling buddy here, Dad. Yes, we are in Hawaii, y'all. First time in Hawaii. Super excited. We're on our way to the baggage claim and we're about to get this party started. Let's go. Jeez, y'all jack that. I think it's probably that one over there. Oh no, that's not it. That's what's next.
Yes! So excited.
Alright, what's going on, guys? It's your boy AB, and we back with another exclusive. You already know what it is. You might not know what it is, but you know where we be. We be in Hawaii! Turn up, turn up. I'm over here with my travel buddy, Deb. Hey, Deb. So we out here right now. We got to our, I feel like the last thing you saw, we were at the airport. So right now we are, actually, we checked into our hotel. We got our bags and stuff. We did a slight wardrobe change. And now we're over at the...
We've lessened our linens.
Yes, we lessened our linens. Now we're at the lunch plate. Plate lunch marketplace.
Cocktail?
So, yeah, she has my cocktail here. We are about to go into this food truck. And if you know me, you know I love me a good food truck. I love good food truck food. So we're about to go here and see what these food trucks are in for. There's also more food trucks on the other side of the hotel. So we're going to go see what the whole food truck park is in for.
Gotta eat.
Let's go. Alright guys, as you can see, there's so much food to choose from. I'm gonna get back to you because I need to decide what.
My dress blew up and everybody looked at me like as if I'd done something wrong.
She got a free peep show over here. Free peep show. I'm gonna get back with you guys when I figure out what I want to eat. Alright? See you later.
If you go by our time traveling self.
Get ready for the amazing food you have. Okay, everything's excellent here. This is, guys, you guys gonna love it, you know. Welcome to Dinos Gourmet. Nobody beats me in the kitchen. Nobody.
He's doing this on the food truck.
He's doing this on the food truck, y'all.
Okay, guys, I'll tell you what's going on here, okay? This is the glaze, what I do with this excellence, like a really glaze, a little sweetness, a little sour. Okay, this is also my blue cheese mousse. I make my own blue cheese. This is excellent, you guys are gonna love it.
This is food.
Everything is mine, every single item is mine. This is my bread, saffron bread, okay? It's organic bread, okay? I do my own semolina and durum flour. That's for you guys. Okay, this is the medium well. This is the medium. Okay, cool. And the fries, guys, the fries are hand-cut fries. Nothing's frozen here, okay?
Hand-cut fries, nothing frozen.
No frozen stuff. Look at this. It speaks to you, okay?
Yes.
That's the, you know, maybe the best burgers you guys ever have. In Hawaii, I'm not a burger guy by any means, but I make good food when it comes to cooking.
One of the best burgers in America.
It's on the sign.
It's on the sign. Best burger in America.
You guys gonna love it. Okay, this is the medium well. This is my Greek garlic sauce, okay?
Okay.
This is that.
Yes, I like the garlic sauce.
Yeah, you're gonna love it. And we Greeks, Greeks were very garlicky, okay? I got a stupid mascot. I'm sorry, guys. You know, I gotta get a mascot or what? Sorry for that. You know. So, guys, I'm working my hand because I never touched the food. Okay, so I'm really good about it. Okay, we never touch it. Okay, so this is your sweetheart. This is for your husband. Okay. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you so much, man.
God
You're
bless you.
awesome.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
So he's
I wasn't recording just yet. Go ahead, do it again, do it again. Hey! Family.
Let's go!
You guys, we are at the beach. At the beach in beautiful Maui, Hawaii. Oh my gosh, this is great. This is so great. Y'all hear the ocean? Do y'all hear it? Let me show y'all what we got here. Look, I actually don't want to get my flip-flops wet, so let me take my flip-flops off. Dang, I'm gonna have to get in because I got a feet.
Bring me your shoes. Bring your stuff down here, Cord.
Dude, this sand is... Shit, this sand ain't no joke. What you on? Oh, droneage? Heck yeah, man, I'm trying to get my drone, get the drone going, you feel me?
I'm about to have lift off.
I'm about to enjoy myself at this beach real quick. Probably gonna get some drone footage also, and yeah, beautiful Hawaii. It just started, so let's get it.
Later that same evening.
Alright, what's going on, you guys? It's your boy AB, and we back with another exclusive video for you today. If you can see, I got me a nice clear plastic mask on, you feel me? You can see my whole face. Ain't this kind of dope? So right now we are waiting for a dinner cruise. I'm not sure if I told you guys, this vlog is probably kind of everywhere. But right now we are going to go on a dinner cruise. It's a dinner cruise, sunset cruise. So it's a sunset dinner cruise. We about to go on here and you know get dinner and cruise on the water. You feel me? We right by the ocean. You feel me? We got boats over here. We're waiting to get on our boat so we can go on our dinner cruise. And yeah, it's gonna be pretty lit. I feel like it's gonna be lit. I feel like it's gonna be good. Like I don't even know. You feel me? So stay tuned. Make sure you guys are liking, commenting, and subscribing to all the videos. And we're turning up out here. As you see, the family is there, and we're turning up out here in Hawaii.
Whoa!
Hey, onto the vessel. That's when you're gonna be seeing me again. I'll be double checking your reservation, double checking your entree for this evening, and if you have any allergies, that would be the time to let me know. Then your crew gonna show you to your assigned seat, keep that seat to us, you will leave the harbor. And for the rest of the trip, if you want to walk anywhere else, you're more than welcome to walk anywhere else to those pictures again. So I believe sunset is 6:50-ish, and we're here to take the pictures for $5. And let's see. I think that's about it. Captain's gonna give you guys a safety briefing once we get onto the boat.
And what's going on, y'all? So we already are on the boat now. We just got, you know, to our seats. This is everybody in our groups. Everybody say what's up.
What's happening?
Hey.
What's up, YouTube?
You feel me? I might be a little bit bright. I'm gonna bring it down a little bit so you can see us all a little better. So yeah, man, we just got to our dinner. I don't know what the heck this is. This looks like a cheese dip or whatever. Got some bread that also come with it. So yeah, it's supposed to be a sunset cruise. You feel me? In Hawaii, Maui. We on a boat. You feel me? So it's we supposed to get drinks. Yeah, and we supposed to get a nice little dinner. So we're gonna see what it's hitting for. I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. Obviously, we here. So it's an island over there. We're on an island. We're on a boat. We turning up. So we in Hawaii. Let's get it. Alright, you guys. So we just took sail. On the boat, and it actually smells good. Like it smells like they cooking down here, don't it? They cooking on the boat.
Oh yeah, they going stupid right now.
At first I thought it was another boat, but I feel like they cooking on our boat. Nah, bruh, you feel me? Haru trying to take our bread, bruh. We only got one more bread left. Get out of here. Watch out, bruh.
Let me get that bread.
We need that. We need that. Me and Dave gonna split that. Feel me in a second. Don't worry. Yeah, they gave us a little, you know, the appetizer's actually alright. It's alright. I feel like I don't like the sourdough bread, but it's cool. It's cool. But we actually on a boat. We on a boat. You feel me? I don't know if y'all can see that. I'm trying to show y'all for real. If y'all can see. I mean, I know y'all can, but I just can't stop showing y'all that we on a boat. You feel me? So. Yeah, I'm ready for the food. Ready for the food. I need a drink. You feel me? I need some. I need all that. I'm ready. Okay, it's a little rocky. We're a little rocky on the boat. Now this is fun though. Like I'm super dope. I'm super excited. I'm gonna show y'all the drinks and I'm gonna show y'all obviously the meals. So when they come, and I'll let y'all know what we're here for. I'm gonna show y'all the scenery and everything. We in beautiful Maui, Hawaii. Let's get it. First one on you, next one on me. You gotta do it like that, bro. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If you do decide to use our moving restrooms this evening, don't worry, you're not going to offend any of the local wildlife. And speaking of local wildlife, go give Chef Rashid on the working hard all day, so we're on the booth for everyone. Back there man the grill at the moment. We'll be cruising around the boat this evening as well. But for real folks, if I do see any wildlife, don't worry.
Alright you guys, so they're already starting to bring out some food for people, or at least some salads. I don't know what this food is going to be like, but I'm really hoping it's going to be good. I feel feel like it's gonna be good, honestly. But where our salad at? I want some salad, you feel me? But I feel like we got our drinks before most people. But this boat is rocking, you feel me? So we gonna see what it's here for. I can't get the lighting right. The sun is coming in and out, you feel me? So I got a margarita. This is a margarita. We got Mai Tais. We got Long Islands. We got drinks. You feel me? So
I don't think you really gonna
beautiful scenery.
Everybody's like,
Because there's no sun out there.
That's the island we just came off of. So that's the island we actually reside on. And yeah, man,
This doesn't like the ocean.
we out here on the boat. I'm gonna get y'all when the food comes. And we all got our salad now, so it look better anyway.
yeah, man. So what you gonna say about the salad?
All right, you guys.
Is it real?
So we got our first course. We got a nice locally grown salad here. Everything, it looks nice and fresh. I haven't tested it yet. I think he said something about the vinaigrette that's on here. I really don't remember what he said about the vinaigrette, but we about to taste it and see what it's hitting for.
Mosquitoes out here.
Okay, it might be a little dark, but here is my first bite of the salad.
This far from land. I know that sounds so
Let's see what this salad tastes like with this vinaigrette and everything. I asked for some more vinaigrette because this is a little dry salad.
It's dry while you got all that stuff on your lips. That sauce on your lips.
Mmm. It's actually pretty good. Nice salad. I like the dressing that's on it. Pretty good dressing. I asked for some more dressing because I need some more. It's a salad. I mean, how can you fuck it up? Honestly. Unless it's wilted. So, first course is a success. We'll get back to you with, I just had a little salad right there. Oh, Debbie wants to be in the camera. So we're just gonna see what, we're gonna see how Debbie feels. How do you feel about the salad, Deb?
I mean, it's very tasty. It's got a lot of substance. I did enjoy the celery, which was a nice addition. So
I enjoyed the celery too.
I did too. It was very fresh. You could taste it.
Very fresh.
I liked it.
They gonna do that?
So yeah. We'll get back with you with the next rest of the meal. The drinks are good. The drinks are good too.
Oh, they're not stiff enough for me. But maybe if I mix them like both together, like two of them,
I feel you.
we'll get where we need to be. Cheers.
Cheers. That's actually a good shot. Alright, you guys, they brought the food.
Y'all need that.
Beer.
Yes.
Who else missing utensils?
I have the steak with it has like a mushroom sauce on top, and I have zucchini and carrots with it's like a purple Yucatan potato, he said. Sweet potato. It's like a purple sweet potato native to Hawaii. So that's pretty lit. Not bad. Okay, we already got some not bads. We got some pretty goods. So I like that. I like that.
I like the purple potatoes. That's my favorite.
Purple potatoes are really good.
They're a little sweet. Yeah.
Okay, we like it. We like it. All right, this is the best view, so I gotta get it like this. So we left-handed today.
Man, when you make this video, put the music Waka Waka Flame on the back. On the back of it.
You're annoying.
When you edit it, put the Waka Waka Flame on it.
Okay. Yo, these potatoes are damn good. They literally taste like a sweet potato. These potatoes are damn good. Okay, potatoes is good. Let's see what these. We asked for salt and pepper. I really want some salt and pepper for my carrots and zucchini because I already know it's not none on there. But
Put it in the sauce for the meat.
Okay. I ain't got enough for my meat though, so.
Oh, yeah, I got it.
You feel me? You feel me? She tried it, but you know. I'm about to try this steak though. Let's see what this.
We could go.
Let's.
I'm telling you, we could go.
You feel me? You feel me? Maybe I need to cut a piece of this steak, so I'm about to put you down real quick.
When they start making these?
Alright, so I just cut a piece of this freaking steak and it cut really good, like tender steak. So here's the steak, it's coming up here. Got a nice little mushroom sauce on top.
Man, what? They did their thing on that. Man, if ain't nothing else good on this plate, boy, I walked away like, whoa.
The steak is really good.
Pepper and salt.
Thank you.
I have a question for you.
Yeah, what's up?
Jess. So what is this?
That's the Okinawan sweet potato. Yeah.
Is it a sea potato? Y'all got, what is it?
No, it's just like a regular sweet potato.
Really?
Yeah, I love to make sweet potato pie out of these guys.
It's really good.
That is absolutely phenomenal. So there was a movie I watched. It had Jason Scott Lee in it.
Okay.
And he was actually, I think, in Hawaii.
Okay.
And he was trying to get his wife. And he was, I remember him them making these.
Oh, that was
that movie?
Poi.
Poi, yeah.
That's Poi. That's totally
That's
different.
a different one. You know which movie I'm talking about though?
Yeah,
And he,
I
they
know.
kept
This
his
is the
wife
potato,
in that
it's so
little
good.
room
Sweet potato.
for a long time. Yeah.
Yes, the little hallway and stuff.
Yeah.
So,
I thought I was the only person that saw that movie.
No. Yeah. No, I'm familiar with that one too. That's like, you know, obviously it's featured in Hawaii, so you know, you gotta know. Yeah, Poi is from kalo. That's a totally different plant, and the consistency is like runny. So traditionally it's eaten with the fingers. So you take 2 fingers and you just like eat it with rice and lau lau or kalua pork, that kind of a thing.
Right.
But yeah, Poi is so good.
So what do they do to this? Because this is just like, what do they put in this potato? Because it's delicious.
I think it's just straight sweet potato. Other than that, he like does butter, and that's pretty much it.
Really?
Yeah, because it's so sweet, it really doesn't need anything else, you know? But yeah, those are grown on Molokai actually, so those are local produce. Yeah.
Okay.
It's really
Everything's
good.
pretty good?
Yes,
Okay,
thank
great.
you.
And y'all sell these at the stores here?
Oh yes, we do actually. Over at Foodland, they
But
sell
can I
them.
take them home with me or no?
That's a good question.
Probably not. I probably couldn't get them through customs.
I don't know, it depends on where you guys are from.
I'm going to Texas. Texas has everything.
Oh, okay. I mean, it depends. Every state has their own, like...
Everything's really good,
Yeah, I can
y'all.
only
So
imagine a sweet potato pie with
I'm about to
that.
go ahead and eat this food because
Definitely, yeah.
it's damn good, and I'm trying to eat. I'm hungry, so far it's good. Hit y'all up later. I had to come back on here and tell y'all what happened. What's up with the steak? So the steak, I don't know. Maybe they mixed up the steaks. I feel like they might have mixed up the steaks because there was some mediums on the table. There was some medium wells on the table.
I'm going to catch you in.
I definitely ordered a medium well.
I feel like I was up to support you.
I'm going to cut you in.
Steak was medium, you feel me? So I
I'm going to cut you
had to send the steak back. So hopefully it's...
You got to work.
Wait for my check.
Yeah, you gotta
I ate a
work.
little bit of the steak because, you know, it was cool for a little bit.
I got to contact my CPA.
A little more medium well, but nah, it was medium for sure. Had to send it back. So we're still out here in Maui. Still got the view. Still on the boat, you feel me?
And this guy, man.
Things don't change, you feel me? We on the boat, we still got haters.
Come on.
There they
bro.
go,
So
right there.
So I'm about a super hater right here.
You about to get a zoom in, yes.
Come on, man. Dang, man.
He's the one
Come
right there,
on,
ultra
man.
hater.
Oh,
So it's okay. But yeah, we still out here. You feel me? In Maui, sun shining. It's a sunset cruise. Y'all want to see the sunset?
They don't want to see that, man. They just want to see cheeks, man. That's all they want to see.
You on there?
That's all YouTube want to see is cheeks, man.
Honestly, there's kids on YouTube, man.
Those little kids are freaks too, man. I know. I used to be one of those kids.
You used to be a freak?
Oh, we used to play hide and go get it back in the day. Hide and go get it.
Yeah, I remember the first time I got tricked into playing that
Put
game.
that in the comments. Who used to play hide and go get it?
I thought it was hide and go seek until somebody tried to grab something. I was like, what? No.
That's how I can go get it. Hide and go.
Alright, so I'm waiting for my steak to come back, you feel me? So it was really good though, the food is good. So I'm not mad at it. Was there a dessert? They got dessert?
I don't think it's no dessert, right? No dessert, right?
It's dessert? What is it? Alright, they said it is dessert. They said it is dessert, so you feel me? I mean, I'm waiting for the dessert, see what the dessert in for. I'm gonna show you what the dessert in for. Steak, it was cool, you feel me? It just wasn't done.
Did she
So
ever tell you how we met?
honestly, I'm gonna give it a 3.75 because I feel like you never things be iffy. Like I could have had better sides, but even though they had really good mashed potatoes, I could have had better vegetables. Like I don't know, steak could have been. I don't know. You feel me? I give it a. What did I say? What did I say?
That's one of my
a 3 point. I don't know what I said. Whatever I said before, that's probably what I'm gonna give it. But
I used to be.
It's a nice sunset cruise here, and my food is coming. My steak is coming. I see it. And I ordered another margarita too, so hopefully that's it.
Sorry about that.
Thank you. No, it's fine. I appreciate that. So he brought my food. Thank you very much. I'm about to go ahead and eat it, and yeah, we still in Hawaii, Maui. Let's go. Alright, so this is the piece that I actually was
my first girlfriend. I never had a girlfriend in college.
This piece right here was in question. So let's go ahead and cut into it.
From college, like, oh, let me go say hi to him. Okay, that's cool.
I mean, it's better.
The type of guy is gonna be like, oh,
it's already better. Like it was literally.
So I heard her say something. She's like, hey, what's going on?
It was very red. Like still talking shit.
Oh, I ain't doing nothing. He was like, you know what? I got a room down such and such.
You look good doing it.
And she's kind of like, my dude here. You know what I'm saying? I was like, oh, okay. Okay, I know what this is about. Even though I didn't know that's what it was.
I just need to be cooked a little bit more.
Like free reign, and I was just out in them streets.
But the flavors were already there. Sauce is already there. Mushrooms good. Size good. This could have been a little better, but it's good.
Cocktail looks delicious.
Cocktail is good.
Didn't have a phone at all. Not a cell phone. He didn't have a cell phone.
This is 2007. Chris set him up. Hey, all living in the car. I was like,
No. I think no. He didn't have one. No, he did. Cause I think he called you, right? Cause when you said he called you, he was like,
make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you get notified when I'm making the next video. Right now we in Hawaii. We eating on Hawaiian food. We sipping on Hawaiian drinks. Not really, but we on the island. That's really. We on the island. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Videos coming, travel vlogs is going, and I'm lit. So turn up. You feel me? Stay tuned, cause it's more to come.
Trying to make sure you get to 10,000 subscribers, man.
Bro, he always talking shit, bro. He's talking shit.
When you get to 10,000 subscribers, I got like 5 million subscribers on my YouTube page.
I'm really trying to get
at the original Playboy Cardi at YouTube.
At the original Playboy Cardi.
The original one though. He too young. The real one.
Okay.
You leave it,
I'm just.
Alright, y'all. Alright, you guys. You hear him talking shit. That's all he do is talk shit.
Oh, it hit?
We got our dessert here. We had a little couple of blueberries on there, but I ate the blueberries. So we finna see. We finna see what this brownie here for with the chopped nuts and the whipped cream on the top. You feel me? So yeah. So let's go ahead.
SMH.
Let's get a good piece.
Yeah. But she didn't ask for a lot of money.
I mean, it's a little piece, but it got everything on it. It got the nuts, it got the brownie, it got the everything. So let's see what it's in for.
That's kind of mine.
What do we think, babe?
I mean, it's a brownie for dessert, so we're not worried about the nuts, we're not worried about the whipped cream, we're worried about the brownie. The brownie is really good. Really good brownie, really good whipped cream, really good nuts. So, that's, I mean, I guess that's what dessert's here for, right? We might have a little chocolate drizzle on it.
They not.
I'm only. But then it's also chocolatey goodness. You see, my plate is empty. I did the damn thing. I need to wait for a fork.
But she don't know that though. Like, you know.
She needed a fork, but there was no fork. I'm like, I need a fork. I already trying to use my hands.
He's fancy pants.
I'm being fancy.
Oh, the sunglasses came off. Uh-oh, there it is.
Oh my God. Make sure you guys are liking, commenting, and subscribing, and hit that notification bell so you can notify when I'm making the next video. Because if you see me, we in Hawaii right now. We was just in LA. I mean, that's just how we doing things right here. We just making trips and we taking names. You feel me? Making trips and taking names. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell because we doing the damn thing over here. My regular vlog is probably Instacart, but you know what? Instacart is also good. If you want to be an Instacart shopper, make sure you hit up my referral link in the notification box. My referral link in the description box, and yeah, become an Instacart shopper because it's lit. It's also, I'm making good money out here. You see what I'm doing? I'm on a trip in Hawaii off of an Instacart tab. You feel me? Like, come on. I got money. I get money from Instacart, and I'm in Hawaii. Come on. Make sure you hit the referral link in my description box and like, comment, and subscribe. You feel me? Because we going up. I'll see y'all later because the trip ain't over, so stay tuned.
I mean, you recording this?
Yeah, bro. It's recording.
Tell y'all. So you know, so we've been out here right now on this goddamn boat, boy. You would think that we was riding down goddamn Weber Avenue in Columbus, Ohio, the worst goddamn roads.
It's so bumpy.
The worst roads ever in life. All right. And then you know what? I just told him to open up his video because I want to talk to y'all about these vape pens and why they're killing y'all. Okay? Why do you smoke that, man? Why do you smoke that when you know that's killing you, man? Every puff you take, man.
Shout out Mota LA. I got this cartridge from there.
Don't do that, man. Don't do that, man. You got kids. You said you got kids to watch that, man. You giving them the wrong information, my
Honestly,
brother.
the kids don't see this if it's flagged as 18 and older, so it might be because
I'm gonna
I got a
flag
little
you
vape
for.
here.
I'm gonna flag you for something. No, I'm gonna find something. Oh yeah, it's gonna happen. Look at you. Damn, that was a COVID cough, man. Come on, man.
I don't got
Everybody
COVID.
looking at us over here,
I don't got
man.
COVID. I got the vaccine. It's that dank. You feel me? It's that dank cough. You feel me? So
For real?
I got a little. You feel me? So okay, we got. Nine's a little sick. Nine got a little sick on the boat, but you know she's still having a good time. We all having a good time, but she got a little sick. It's okay. Ooh. I didn't even want to turn the camera back on. Chris just wanted to come back on here and talk shit, so
Man,
I had to turn the camera back on
see
for
what
him
I'm
real quick
saying?
because all he want to do is talk shit.
See what I'm saying?
Guys, I'm gonna be taking the cups away.
Oh wait!
Right? One
No.
last sip. I gotta take them because
What?
it's old Harvard laws. Really?
She just tried to come and take my drink, y'all.
But let me tell y'all
I had to
about.
finish it.
But let me tell y'all
So
about
annoying.
this guy. Let me tell y'all about this guy, okay? So we've been out here this whole time, and all he did was just complain about his steak, all right? And
Bro.
you don't understand that me and my 5 million subscribers is coming for his.
He talking about he got 5 million subscribers. He don't even got a YouTube. My thing is, I don't
What?
even know if I showed y'all the steak. The
What?
steak was literally
Who don't got a
still
YouTube?
walking around my plate.
I
Like the
just
steak
showed
was
you.
not done. So
No
I had
cap.
to send it back and get it cooked again, and it still wasn't even all that. But the flavors was there, so it was still a good steak. So it's okay. But the thing is, I just wanted to turn it back on because he was talking shit. So you feel me? So now we good. I'm about to turn the camera off, and I'm gonna see you guys next time. You feel me? Like damn, we in Hawaii. You feel me? Maui. Turn up.
Slow it down just a little bit.
So after our beautiful voyage on the sea, on the ocean, we walking through our little, it's like a little tree cabana. It's like a bunch of trees.
Does anybody know what type of trees these are? No.
They look like weeping willows.
It's crazy. How's that big tree connected to this big tree?
It is insane. These
man,
trees
that
are
food smells
connected. Like look at this branch. They're connected to like that tree. Is connected. That is crazy. Like look at this. Look. It's connected.
I've never seen nothing like this in my life.
It's connected.
I've never seen nothing like
That's insane.
Do you know what type of trees these are?
So nobody know what type of trees these are. Like that's so weird. Like, why wouldn't y'all know it? Do y'all live here or what? Okay, it's a plaque right here. Let's see. It says banyan tree ficus words, February 1982. The National Arborist Association recognizes this tree and commends those who had the vision and foresight to preserve it. Can I know where this tree is or what the name of the tree is? This is a fucking mythical beast of a tree, because these trees are fucking connected. Like, these trees are together. Like, that's so crazy. Like, this bunch of trees are like holding hands and playing Ring Around the Rosie. Like, what the heck? It's insane. Like, it's like they're jumping rope, but they didn't even start. They're still, the rope is just still in their hands. Like, it's crazy. It is. It's pretty cool. It's pretty crazy. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Look at that.
Oh, you get on my nerves.
Isn't this amazing?
I love it.
It's crazy.
Love it. Something like you would see on a Disney movie or something,
I
you know?
know, right? It's such a fairy tale.
It's really cool.
Cause like, and then I just read this plaque over there.
How you spell it? What's it called? B-A-N-Y-A-N. Oh, okay, I've seen that before. It's a who? B-A-N-Y-A-N. Ficus?
Yeah, banyan tree. Like Bunyan.
Bengali.
Banyan.
From February 1982.
This like this is 82? Ain't no way. Ain't no way this tree.
No, it just it said they recognize this tree and commends those who have the vision and foresight to preserve it. So it might have been there before that. It had to be.
I mean, I would put money on this thing over 100 years.
How big those, right?
Do you see how this tree has made that tree, like this tree support?
Right.
She says this tree made this tree.
Look at that over there.
Okay, so Friday we'll bring it to you. Okay. He'll bring it.
It's pretty crazy. Like, all these trees are connected. Like, how is that even possible? Like, that's... I really hope I'm not burning my freaking wick, because I feel like it's... I'm pressing the button or something by accident and I'm not noticing it. But yeah, man, I just had to show y'all these trees. That's crazy. I look-y feel like I've been pressing it, but not even noticing it. Because I feel like it's hot, like, for something. I don't know. But yeah, man. I just wanted to show y'all those trees. You still in Hawaii? Turn up.